In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your Wix site 2026 guide. While Wix doesn't offer a single switch to lock down an entire site, you can absolutely secure it by protecting individual pages and hiding your site from search engines. Used together, these two moves keep casual visitors out and make your pages far less discoverable. First, let's lock a page with a password. In the Wix editor, open the Pages menu by clicking the Pages icon on the left. You'll see a list of all your site's pages. Find the page you want to protect, click the three dots next to it and choose Settings. In the Settings panel, go to the Permissions tab. Here, select Password Holders, then type the password you want to use for that specific page. This creates a gate. Visitors will need to enter that password before they can view the content. You can set a unique password for any page, including your home page, and the password applies only to that one page. If your goal is to secure the entire site, repeat this process for each page listed in your menu. Consider using strong, memorable passwords and share them only with people who should have access. Next, let's reduce your site's visibility in search results so it's not easy to stumble upon. From your Wix dashboard, go to Marketing and SEO. Open SEO, scroll down to Tools and Settings, and select SEO Settings. Look for the toggle labeled Let Search Engines Index Your Site. Turn this off. Wix will add a no index directive to all pages and remove your sitemap, signaling search engines not to list your site. Confirm by clicking Hide Your Site. This step doesn't replace passwords, but it significantly lowers the chances of your pages showing up in search results, even if they exist online. Here's how these protections work together. Page-level passwords stop anyone without the correct code from seeing your content. SEO-level hiding keeps your site out of search results, making your URLs much harder to discover. If you have many pages and limited time, prioritize protecting the homepage and any high sensitivity pages first, and keep the site hidden from search engines for an added layer of privacy. It also helps to keep a secure record of which pages are protected and which passwords are active, and to update those passwords periodically to maintain control. That's it. By combining page passwords with site-wide no-index settings, you create a practical, privacy-focused setup on Wix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.